welcome to Paellera channel. Today we'll be cooking the Crusty Seafood Paella. A bit more. And a large prawn in the middle as decoration. Let's start by adding a bit of our olive oil, our chopped tomatoes, iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Alright. Our powdered saffron. That's a bit more there. It's very expensive, don't waste it. Okay, that seems to be enough. We're gonna add now our seafood stock, which we previously mixed with our paella mix. Alright, slowly. There we go. Nice. Alright, we're adding today around 750 milliliters. We're gonna start adding our clams. Alright, just around the pan, just like that. Okay, I previously soaked these clams in salty water, so they will start opening up, as you can see. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Let's add our 250 grams of paella rice, like that. Some mussels, there you go, lovely. Half shell, so they fill it with rice. Try to put them on a symmetrical angle. Some in the middle as well, why not? Like to put them in a bit so they will fill with stock and rice, and then you can use the shell as a sort of a spoon to eat part of the paella. Here's some. Let's see if we have any more. Some peeled shrimp, nice and big. Whoops. Into that pan. Okay, something like that. Okay guys, it's time to add our large prawns. These are not only for decoration, but they're absolutely delicious. And there you go. Same as last time, it's 9 large eggs, some fresh parsley, black pepper, salt, garlic salt and onion salt. Let's turn over those prawns. Alright, the rice looks cooked. It's time to pour our beaten eggs slowly but surely. We want the egg to cover every part of the pan, so we get a nice crust on top of this. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay guys, this is what it should look like when it's almost finished. I'm about to take it out of the oven, so I'm gonna show you in a minute how it looks like under the light. Okay guys, that is the finished Crusty Seafood Paella. I just took it out of the oven. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, it's time to serve our Crusty Seafood Paella. Alright. A bit more. and a large prawn in the middle as decoration. Doesn't that look fantastic? Alright, that's all for this recipe today. Don't forget to visit us at iwantpaella.eu, and we'll be bringing you some new videos soon. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.